Students, in my previous video of micro teaching, we have studied about micro teaching meaning and its characteristics. We all know that micro teaching is one of the most recent innovation in teaching training program which is used as a professional development tool in pre-service or in service teacher training programs. Micro teaching helps teachers to better understanding the processes of teaching and learning and provides the opportunity to learn teaching skills, to study their own teaching and to study the teaching of the other. We also know that micro teaching is an organized, scaled down teacher training program where a trainee teacher plans a short lesson, teaching it to a reduced group of the students and then reflect on their teaching afterwards. So today we will discuss about the micro teaching procedure and micro teaching cycle. Cliff has diagrammatically represent the phases as follows. First is the knowledge acquisition phase, which is known as the pre-active phase. In this phase, skill is analyzed and is discussed thoroughly with the supervisor. Every opportunity is given to the students to get clarification of purpose and uses of the skills in the classroom. The demonstration of this skill is also given to the pupil teachers. In the skill acquisition phase, pupil teacher prepare micro lessons and implements the lesson plan for the skill. He also practices the particular skills and carries out the micro teaching cycle. This phase has 3 sessions. First is known as the plan session, second is the teach session and third is the feedback session. Third phase, which is known as the transfer phase. In this phase, pupil teachers learns to organize and integrates the different skills and then transfer them into the real teaching situations. It is a synthetic stage of micro teaching process where skills are united to constitute complex teaching behavior. Now coming to the micro teaching procedure. Micro teaching has the following procedure. First is orientation. In this step, particular skill to be practiced is explained to the pupil teacher in terms of purpose and components of skill with effective and suitable examples. Also, teacher educator give proper knowledge of the following. First is the concept of micro teaching, significance using micro teaching, procedure of micro teaching, and requirements and setting for adopting micro teaching technique. Second step of micro teaching procedure is discussion of teaching skills. In this step, teacher educator gives the demonstration of a particular micro skill in simulated condition to pupil teacher to develop the knowledge and understanding of the following. Analysis of teaching into components, teaching skills, the discussion of the rationale and role of these teaching skills and teaching, discussion about the component teaching behavior comprising various teaching skills. Next step of micro teaching procedure is selection of particular teaching skill. In this step, the pupil teachers are persuaded to select and plan the particular skill for practices. They are also provided with the necessary orientation and processes material for the practice of that skill. Next step is presentation of a model demonstration lesson. In this step, model lesson is presented before pupil teachers by the teacher educator. This process is known as modeling. Next step is observation of model lesson and criticism. While demonstrated the lesson by the teacher educator, the pupil teacher has to note down their observations. In this step, what is read, viewed, listened, and observed through a modeling source is carefully analyzed by the pupil teachers. Next step, preparation of micro lesson plan. The pupil teacher plans a short lesson in which he practices the particular skill. Micro lesson planning include detailed preparation of micro lesson plan, selection of media, preparation of audiovisual aids. Creation of micro teaching setting. The standard setting for micro class which is developed by NCERT. According to NCERT, number of pupil 5 to 10, type of pupils real pupils, type of the supervisor teacher educator and the peers, time duration of micro lesson 6 minutes, time duration of micro teaching cycle is 36 minutes. The duration is divided as under teaching session 6 minutes, feedback session 6 minutes, replan session 12 minutes, reteach session 6 minutes, refeedback session 6 minutes, total 36 minutes. Next step, practice of the skill. This step is known as teach session. In this step, pupil teacher teaches the micro lesson to the small group of the students, 5 to 10 student teachers, and lesson is observed by supervisor and peers and recorded on a video recorder or audio recorder or CCTV. Next step, providing feedback. This teaching is followed by discussion to provide the feedback to the pupil teacher which act as a reinforcement to the pupil teachers. Whenever if possible, help may be taken from the video recorder, audio recorder or CCTV. Next is replan session which is of duration of 12 minutes. In the light of the discussion and suggestion, the pupil teacher replans his lesson to make a particular skill effective. Next, reteach session. It is a 6-minute duration. The revised lesson is retaught to another small group of pupil teacher for the same duration to practice the particular skill. Next step, re-feedback session. The reteaching is followed by discussion, suggestion and encouraging the teaching performance. Thus, feedback is again provided to the pupil teacher. Next step, repeating the micro teaching cycle. The teach, reteach cycle is repeated till the desired level of skill is achieved. Last step of micro teaching procedure is integration of teaching skill. In this step, integration of various teaching skill mastered by pupil teacher is done, which helps in bridging a gap between training in isolated teaching skill and real teaching situation faced by pupil teacher. This diagram shows the complete micro teaching procedure. Thanks.